How to install JDK in Windows 10. First, search for Java JDK download. Click Java Downloads. Select Windows OS. Then, download the x64 installer. After we downloaded the exe file, we can now start to install the JDK. Just click the exe file to open. Click Next. Click Next. After the JDK has been successfully installed, click Close. Now, go to Search bar to open Control Panel. Find System, then click it. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables. Select Path, then click Edit. Now, go to File Explorer and find the folder where you saved the JDK. It is usually in the local disk. Click the Program Files folder. Then click the Java folder. Click the JDK folder. Then click the bin folder. Now, copy the path of bin folder. Click New. Paste the path of bin folder. Then click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Now, go to Search bar and look for Command Prompt, then click it. Type Java-version to verify if the Java has been successfully installed on your computer. If you see the same in my screen, Java is successfully installed. That's all for this video. Until next time.